Hey there, Healthy Jugnu family! Welcome back to the channel where we unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you. Today we're diving into something so groundbreaking, so life-changing that once you hit play, you won't be able to leave until the very end. Why? Because I'm about to reveal the best fat-burning drinks you can have before bed, drinks that will melt stubborn fat while you sleep. We're talking about boosting your metabolism while you're catching those Z's. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, leaner, and more energized. That's the power of these incredible bedtime beverages. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around because science doesn't lie and neither do the results. Get ready to sip your way to a slimmer you as we break down each drink, its benefits, and how it can help you achieve your health goals. Let's get started. First up, we have a drink that's as soothing as it is effective: Golden Moon Milk. This creamy, dreamy drink has been used in Ayurveda, the ancient Indian system of medicine, for centuries, and for good reason. It's packed with ingredients that promote relaxation, digestion, and you guessed it, fat burning. Golden Moon Milk is incredibly simple to make. We'll start with a base of warm almond milk. Almond milk is naturally dairy-free and low in calories, making it a great choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. Plus, it's a good source of vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant. Next, we'll add a pinch of turmeric, the golden child of the spice world. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is often linked to weight gain, so by reducing inflammation, turmeric can indirectly aid in weight loss. Of course, no Golden Moon Milk recipe is complete without a dash of cinnamon. Not only does cinnamon add a warm, comforting flavor, but it also helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar means fewer cravings and reduced fat storage. It's a win-win. Finally, to top off our Golden Moon Milk and boost its fat-burning potential, we'll add a teaspoon of ghee or coconut oil. These healthy fats help you feel full and satisfied, preventing late-night snacking. And here's the kicker: they actually help your body burn fat more efficiently. So there you have it, Golden Moon Milk, a delicious and effective way to promote weight loss while you sleep. It's like a warm hug for your soul that also helps you achieve your health goals. Next up, we have a drink that's a game-changer for weight loss: the Sleepy Time Cinnamon Apple Cider Vinegar Elixir. Now I know what you might be thinking, vinegar before bed, but trust me on this one. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has incredible health benefits, especially for weight management. The star of this elixir is apple cider vinegar. ACV contains acetic acid, which improves insulin sensitivity. Insulin helps regulate blood sugar using glucose for energy instead of storing it as fat. We'll add a teaspoon of cinnamon to boost metabolism. Cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar and aids digestion. To balance the tartness, add a drizzle of raw honey. Enjoy this elixir warm before bed. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with warm water, add cinnamon and honey, and stir well. Boost your metabolism, curb cravings, and promote weight loss while you sleep with this elixir. You'll be amazed by the results. Who knew relaxation could help you lose weight? That's right, our next bedtime beverage is not only delicious and calming but also surprisingly effective for burning fat. Let me introduce you to the Lavender Chamomile Fat Burning Tea, a soothing blend that will help you unwind after a long day while boosting your metabolism. We'll start with the base of this tea, a calming blend of lavender and chamomile. Lavender, with its beautiful aroma and relaxing properties, has been used for centuries to promote sleep and reduce anxiety. Chamomile, another gentle giant in the herbal world, is known for its calming effects on the digestive system, easing any discomfort and promoting restful sleep. But here's the secret ingredient that turns this soothing tea into a fat-burning powerhouse: flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3s offer a wide range of health benefits, including reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. Now you might be wondering how flaxseed oil helps with fat burning. Well, research suggests that omega-3 fatty acids may help increase your metabolic rate, meaning your body burns more calories even at rest. They may also help regulate appetite hormones, keeping those late-night cravings at bay. To make this soothing and effective tea, simply steep a teaspoon of dried lavender and chamomile flowers in hot water for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the tea has steeped, strain it into your favorite mug and stir in a teaspoon of flaxseed oil. For a touch of sweetness, you can add a drizzle of raw honey or a few drops of stevia. So, if you're looking for a relaxing bedtime ritual that also supports your weight loss goals, look no further than the Lavender Chamomile Fat-Burning Tea. It's like a spa night in a cup. Craving something indulgent before bed but don't want to sabotage your weight loss efforts? I've got you covered. Let me introduce you to the protein-powered peanut butter hot chocolate, a guilt-free treat that will satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping your metabolism firing all night long. Who can resist the allure of a warm, comforting mug of hot chocolate? But traditional hot chocolate can be loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats, leading to weight gain and energy crashes. That's where our protein-packed version comes in. We'll start with a base of unsweetened cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is naturally rich in antioxidants and has a lower sugar content than processed chocolate. It's also been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, which can aid in weight management. To turn this into a protein powerhouse, we'll add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it also helps you feel fuller for longer, preventing those late-night snack attacks. Choose a high-quality protein powder that aligns with your dietary needs and preferences. Now for the star of the show, peanut butter. Peanut butter adds a creamy, satisfying texture to our hot chocolate while providing a healthy dose of fats and protein. Opt for natural peanut butter without added sugar, salt, or oils for maximum health benefits. To make this delicious and nutritious drink, simply combine a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, a scoop of protein powder, and a tablespoon of peanut butter in your favorite mug. Add a splash of hot water or unsweetened almond milk and stir well until all the ingredients are combined. So, next time those late-night cravings hit, don't reach for the cookie jar. Indulge in a mug of protein-powered peanut butter hot chocolate instead. It's a delicious and guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth while supporting your weight loss goals. Last but certainly not least, we have a refreshing and invigorating drink that's a triple threat for fat loss: spiced ginger lemonade. This zesty beverage combines the detoxifying power of lemon, the digestive benefits of ginger, and the metabolism-boosting properties of cayenne pepper for a truly powerful weight loss elixir. Let's start with the star of the show, ginger. Ginger is a powerhouse when it comes to digestion. It helps to stimulate the production of digestive juices, easing bloating and promoting regularity. A healthy gut is crucial for efficient nutrient absorption and overall well-being, which indirectly supports weight management. Next up, we have the tangy goodness of lemons. Lemons are naturally detoxifying and alkalizing, meaning they help to neutralize acidity in the body. They're also a good source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports a healthy immune system. And finally, to really fire up your metabolism, we'll be adding a pinch of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper contains a compound called capsaicin, which is responsible for its signature heat. Capsaicin has been shown to increase thermogenesis, a process where your body burns calories to generate heat. To make this refreshing and invigorating drink, simply combine warm water, fresh lemon juice, grated ginger, and a pinch of cayenne pepper in a glass. Stir well and enjoy. You can adjust the amount of each ingredient to suit your taste preferences. So if you're looking for a delicious and effective way to boost your metabolism, aid digestion, and detoxify your body, look no further than spiced ginger lemonade. It's the perfect bedtime beverage for anyone looking to achieve their weight loss goals. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. With these fat-burning drinks, you're not just losing weight, you're gaining energy, confidence, and a better quality of life. Imagine waking up feeling lighter, more energized, and ready to conquer the day. That's the power of these incredible bedtime beverages. So which drink are you trying tonight? Let me know in the comments below. I'm excited to hear about your fat-burning journey and how these drinks transform your health. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who's ready to transform their health. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep shining like the stars you are. This is Healthy Jugnu, signing off.